Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add moderators to your on your TikTok live. So select the plus button here, and you are going to select the live button over here. And to add moderators, just go to settings over here and select moderators and add the oops, sorry, I think I selected the wrong one. And then add moderators here. For instance, I want to add my friend, so I'm just going to search her up, and I'm just going to select add, and they can mute accounts, comment, adjust comment settings, and block accounts, or you can disable this all. I think you can only disable two, and they can have access to, for instance, either 1, 2, or 3, but at least one fundamental access to be a moderator. Once you're done, you're just going to select confirm. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it on the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!